Hi, this is the 8th generation Toyota Camry, and this one the second make. This is the 2019 version, 2019, and I have an issue that some people may interesting about it. So what's happening is every time I have my trunk open, it sounds and it showed over here when it's open. Right now it does because I did something to it. Usually people, to get rid of the beep, just open the trunk and go like this, find like a screw like this one and hit it right there. And that's why usually people may disable the beep sound. Now you may see my lash look like a scrap. It was because I had an accident the other day. I don't know if you can tell. I had an accident the other day. Somebody hit me in the back, and when he hit me in the back, it was even to try to close the lid of the trunk. It was still inside sounding. Even it was closed, still sounding the freaking beep. And I was Googling videos on how to disable that beep, and I could have found it. But the only thing I found, it was something that I'm about to show you. So you remove this cap, and then you come under. And if you see this thing right here, this is what it basically make the sensor. I don't know if you see. Yeah, see this metal thing touching the other little thing. When it touch, it means that that the trunk is open. But when you pull it back like this, because this is what it make this part right here. Let's see, this part right here, push this to the back and make it untouchable, and that's how the beep. So what I grab a piece of wood from the floor, and let me do it because I can do it with both hands. Okay, so that's what I did. I put a piece of wood from the ground to separate the this metal from the other metal. Now, when you close it, now it's closed. It doesn't show like it's open. And when you put it on drive, it doesn't beep anymore. It doesn't beep anymore. Yep. Those checking engine lights is another thing. I just want to show you about the trunk beeping lid. Thank you. Bye.